Looking for tools that actually get the job done? Today, we're checking out 20 Milwaukee tools that professionals and DIYers rely on every day. From pipe cutters to pumps, these tools are built tough, last long, and make your work faster and easier. Stick around to see which ones should be in your toolbox. The M18 FUEL 1 HP 2-inch Submersible Pump Kit is built for high-performance fluid transfer in tough, confined spaces, no generator required. Delivering up to 82 gallons per minute, it runs on M18 FUEL red lithium forge batteries for cordless, emission-free operation in vaults, trenches, and manholes. With 3 pumping modes, it adapts to changing flow rates and shuts off automatically with 2 inches of water remaining to prevent dry runs. The wireless remote keeps you updated on pump and battery status, reducing supervision time. On auto mode, expect up to 2,800 gallons per charge and 40 minutes of runtime. It's one-key compatible for tracking and management, includes a 35-foot cord, backpack harness, and a rapid charger. Whether you're draining job site water or handling emergency pumping, this kit offers unmatched portability, safety, and control. The M18 Hot Shot Jump Starter is Milwaukee's game-changing solution for fast, reliable vehicle starts. No pre-charging, no maintenance. Powered by any M18 battery, it's ready to jump in under 70 seconds and delivers up to 2,000 peak amps, enough to start 8.1-liter gas and 3-liter diesel engines. Its internal capacitors are rated for 500,000 cycles, ensuring long-term durability, while its custom clamp design guarantees solid terminal contact. With spark-proof, reverse polarity, and overheat protection, it's built for safety in all conditions from -4 degrees F to 122 degrees F. Add in USB ports for device charging, a digital voltage readout, and IP65 rated durability, and you've got a compact powerhouse that's perfect for roadside emergencies, fleet maintenance, and job site vehicles. The M18 FUEL Electro-Fusion Processor is Milwaukee's answer for fast, reliable HDPE pipe fusion, no generator required. Designed for portability and precision, it fuses up to 8-inch couplings and 12-inch saddles with instant setup and 15 feet leads for flexible access. The wireless barcode scanner simplifies job site workflow, while the last fuse technology ensures you never start a fusion you can't finish. Powered by the M18 FUEL Red Lithium Forge XC 8.0 battery, it delivers all-day runtime and compatibility across the M18 FUEL platform. With one-key integration, you get detailed fusion logs and remote tracking. Field-replaceable tips, leads, and scanner minimize downtime, making it a smart investment for pros who need speed, accuracy, and mobility. No cords, no pipe stand, no compromises. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL Compact Pipe Threader is engineered for mobility and control in high-demand threading jobs. It powers through up to 1 1/4-inch black iron, stainless steel, and RMC, all while running cordless on M18 Red Lithium High-Output XC 8.0 batteries, no flex volt required. Safety gets a boost with auto-stop kickback control, and the side grip thread start keeps your hands clear of the action. The support arm replaces the need for a pipe stand, speeding up setup and expanding flexibility. With one-key integration, you can track, lock, and manage your tool remotely. Whether you're in service, repair, or heavy-duty installs, this threader delivers pro-grade performance in a compact, job site-ready package. The M18 FUEL half-inch to 1-inch steel pipe cutter is engineered for clean, consistent cuts in tight spaces, no sparks, no hassle. Designed for plumbers and mechanical pros, it slices through half-inch to 1-inch Schedule 40 steel pipe with precision and up to 4 times faster than traditional methods like bandsaws or grinders. The brushless motor delivers long-lasting power, while the compact, cordless design makes it ideal for overhead or confined work. A built-in die-cast clamp ensures secure, centered cuts every time, and the tool-free blade change keeps downtime to a minimum. Whether you're working in basements, ceilings, or crawl spaces, this cutter brings pro-grade speed and safety to every job. The Milwaukee PACKOUT Rack Kit takes modular tool storage to the next level. Designed for vans, trailers, shop walls, and Connex boxes, it features sliding drawers that give you full access without unstacking, saving time and hassle on the job. Each drawer supports up to 50 pounds in transit, and the adjustable layout lets you customize storage to fit your gear. With rugged steel construction and secure drawer locks, it's built to handle rough conditions while keeping everything organized. Compatible with all PACKOUT components, this rack system stacks up to 3 units high and expands across walls for fleet-level efficiency. Whether you're mobile or shop-based, it's the ultimate upgrade for tool transport and access.
When tight spaces demand serious torque, you need a tool that fits without compromise. That's where Milwaukee's M12 FUEL Stubby 3/8-inch impact wrench shines. Measuring under 5 inches long, it slips into engine bays, crawl spaces, and overhead installs with ease, yet still delivers up to 250 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. The brushless motor and RedLink Plus electronics ensure consistent power and protection, while 4-mode drive control gives you precision for every fastening task. Whether you're in automotive, HVAC, or maintenance, this compact beast brings pro-level performance to places bigger tools can't reach. Think of it as the tank of tape measures, rugged, reliable, and built to take a beating. The Milwaukee Stud Tape Measure features an XO360 blade coating that resists rips and wear even in the harshest job site conditions. Its reinforced frame absorbs impact without cracking, and the anti-tear hook keeps your measurements accurate over time. With up to 17 feet of standout, it's perfect for solo layout work on framing, drywall, and cabinetry. Whether you're measuring overhead or across long spans, this tape delivers durability and precision that outlasts the rest.
The MX FUEL 14-inch cutoff saw redefines job site cutting with cordless freedom and pro-grade performance. Designed for concrete, steel, and cast iron, it delivers up to 5,400 RPM with 0 emissions and no pull starts. Just press and cut. Powered by the MX FUEL Red Lithium battery, it offers consistent speed and torque even under load. The saw features a full 14-inch blade capacity, allowing cuts up to 5 inches deep. And its rapid stop brake boosts safety during operation. With one key integration, you can track, manage, and secure your tool remotely. Whether you're slicing rebar, trench plates, or structural steel, this cutoff saw combines portability, precision, and power for demanding on-site applications.
Lighting up the job site just got smarter, faster, and more compact. The MX FUEL Rocket Dual Power Compact Tower Light delivers a staggering 15,000 lumens of task and area lighting, covering over 2,300 square feet with 5 times the usable light of its M18 counterpart. Designed for portability, it takes up 75% less storage space, weighs under 50 pounds, and sets up in seconds with a 7-foot folding mast and deployable outriggers for stability on uneven terrain. Whether you're running cordless with the MX FUEL Red Lithium XC406 battery or plugged in for all-day use, you'll get up to 10 hours of runtime and unmatched flexibility. With IP56 water and dust protection, PACKOUT compatibility, and one-key Bluetooth tracking, this tower light is built to perform indoors, outdoors, and everywhere in between. Say goodbye to floppy tool bags and hello to structure that lasts. The PACKOUT 15-inch structured tote is built for pros who demand durability and organization on the move. With tear-resistant layered ballistic material, a reinforced frame, and an impact-resistant molded base, it holds its shape and up to 50 pounds of gear, no matter how rough the job site gets. Inside, you'll find 39 pockets to keep tools sorted, plus all-metal hardware, YKK zippers, and a padded shoulder strap that tucks neatly onto the handle. And thanks to integrated locking cleats, it clicks right into your PACKOUT stack for seamless transport. It's not just a tote, it's a smarter way to carry your system. Corded power without the cord. That's what Milwaukee's latest M18 variable speed braking angle grinders deliver. Whether you prefer the paddle switch no lock or slide switch lock-on, both models pack an 11A corded performance, a power state brushless motor, and rapid stop braking for enhanced safety. The 5-speed dial gives you precision across grinding, cutting, and surface prep tasks, while tool-free accessory and guard changes keep your workflow moving. Pair it with an M18 red lithium high-output XC 6.0 battery for 50% more power and cooler runtime. Built for pros who push harder and demand more control, these grinders redefine cordless versatility. When precision meets reach, the 14-inch fixed pruning saw steps up for clean, controlled cuts in tree care and landscaping. Its aggressive tooth pattern slices through branches with minimal effort, while the curved blade design improves contact and cutting efficiency. Built with a full tang construction and a non-slip ergonomic handle, it offers durability and comfort even during extended use. The lightweight frame makes it ideal for overhead pruning, and the blade sheath with belt clip ensures safe transport between tasks. Whether you're shaping canopies or clearing brush, this saw delivers pro-level performance and a compact, easy-to-handle package. Ceiling drilling just got a serious upgrade. The M18 FUEL overhead rotary hammer with integrated dust extraction is purpose-built for overhead work, combining a compact SDS Plus rotary hammer with a built-in extractor for better balance, less fatigue, and full Table 1 compliance. Its redesigned rear-positioned side handle improves posture and control, while the collapsible design makes storage easy. Powered by a power state brushless motor, it delivers fast anchor drilling and handles up to 5/8-inch holes in concrete. With auto-stop kickback control and one-key customization, this 2-in-1 tool brings safety, comfort, and performance to every ceiling job. The M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist with one key redefines material handling with battery-powered freedom and remote-controlled accuracy. Its wireless remote offers 60 feet of range, variable speed, and fine adjustment, giving you full control over each lift. At just 46 pounds, it's easy to transport using the included PACKOUT rolling cart, and it's built to lift in both standard and inverted orientations for maximum versatility. Powered by M18 red lithium batteries, this hoist eliminates the hassle of extension cords and speeds up installs, making it a smarter, more mobile solution for demanding job sites. That's our roundup of 20 must-have Milwaukee tools. Built tough, built smart, and ready to boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, like,